Back-to-back meetings, follow-ups, and CRM updates can be really overwhelming. You want to focus on closing deals, but instead you're stuck taking notes, logging data, and trying to remember key details from past conversations. Sound familiar? In this video, I'll show you how Notta can take this burden off your plate by automatically recording, transcribing, and summarizing your meetings so you can work smarter and sell more. Let's dive in. First, Notta makes it effortless to capture every conversation. In sales, every detail matters, but when you're busy taking handwritten notes, it's easy to get distracted and miss key points. That's why our sales team relies on Notta to record all client calls, so they can stay fully engaged without worrying about note-taking. The best part? Notta works everywhere, whether you're on Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, or even in a face-to-face meeting. Take Zoom meetings, for example. On the Notta dashboard, just click Record Online Meeting, select your transcription language, and paste the meeting link. The Notta AI note-taker will then join the meeting and automatically transcribe the spoken words, tagging each speaker. Notta's magic doesn't stop here. Once your meeting is done, this tool automatically generates a concise summary in seconds, highlighting key points, next steps, and important decisions. Additionally, with preset templates based on the BANT, MEDIC, or SPIN methods, you get insights tailored to specific meeting types, whether it's a discovery call, a negotiation, or a follow-up. This means you always have a clear action plan without spending extra time organizing notes. As a salesperson, updating your CRM can also be a tedious, time-consuming task. I feel ya. The good news? Notta eliminates this hassle with seamless integration into CRMs like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Pipedrive. No more copying and pasting. Call logs, transcripts, and key insights sync with a few clicks. Take Salesforce CRM as an example. You can focus on high-value activities, like nurturing leads and closing deals, instead of getting buried in admin work. Finally, Notta also serves as a powerful coaching tool for sales teams, with everything stored in one place. Every recorded meeting becomes a valuable training resource. Sales managers can review real calls, analyze conversations, and provide targeted feedback to help their teams refine their pitch and improve performance. New hires? They can learn from top performers by studying successful sales calls, accelerating their ramp-up time. Notta is already helping sales teams work smarter. Our customer, Tangram, a marketplace software provider that helps new startups launch their first MVP using the no-code Webflow platform, reported that using Notta saves them at least 30 minutes per meeting and improves client satisfaction. That's all for today. In sales, every conversation counts, and having the right tools can make all the difference. If you think Notta could help, don't hesitate to give it a try. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.